I've been playing around with affiliate marketing for probably about a month now, and I just wanted to share my updates with you and let you know about some hidden perks about affiliate marketing that maybe you hadn't thought of before. The first is content ideas. When you're just trying to make videos, it's really hard sometimes to come up with ideas. But as soon as you start making videos about products, there's literally tons of products. Like, just look around your house, you'll find ideas everywhere. Don't make videos about products you don't like, because those won't lead to sales. Just find the stuff around your house that you genuinely enjoy using and make a video about those things. If you're enthusiastic about the product, it's likely that your enthusiasm will show and other people will want that product as well. For me, the easiest way to find products that I wanted to review was just to go through my recent Amazon shopping list. I just started going through the things that I just recently bought and said, yeah, I like this. I want to make a review of this. So doing affiliate marketing actually starts to make content creation a ton easier. The second thing I want to talk about is free products. I mean, who doesn't like free products? And maybe this is well known, or maybe it's a secret, I don't know. I didn't know it, but pretty much as soon as you start making videos about products, companies will start contacting you offering free products. Like, companies actually want to give you free things so that you can review it on Amazon or on your YouTube channel. Like, you don't have to beg them, they come to you. At least that's my experience so far. So start doing videos of the kinds of things that you want, and maybe those companies or similar companies will contact you with free products. I think that's pretty cool. This YouTube channel is really, really small, and yet companies are offering me free products to review. Some YouTubers will say that that's not worth your time. I think it's awesome. Every YouTuber needs to decide for themselves whether it's worth it for them. But even if you don't want the free product, you could always sell it, right? That's income. So maybe they didn't pay you on top of the review, but if you don't want the product, sell it, and you got money, right? Am I missing something? So that's the second thing, free products. Number 3 is Amazon influencers. Now this is a program not everybody knows about, but you've probably seen these videos before. When you're shopping on Amazon, just above the reviews for the product, there's a place for video reviews as well. And if you're an Amazon influencer, you can actually get paid to make these reviews. So what I've been doing is making reviews for my YouTube channel, but then cutting them down for Amazon influencers. Now I found out that not everybody qualifies for this program, and they're kind of cryptic in terms of who qualifies. Like, they want you to have a social media following, but they won't tell you how many followers you need. But if you can qualify for it, it's like free money. If you're already making these kinds of videos for YouTube, then all you need to do is edit them just a little bit more and it'll work for Amazon as well. They do have a few requirements like not mentioning other social media channels, reviewing the product completely, those sorts of things, but they're pretty lax about these things as well. I've seen a lot of those videos that don't even demonstrate the product at all and just unbox the product. That's not what Amazon's looking for, and yet they let it slide. But if you make quality Amazon influencer videos, that can lead to sales that lead to commissions for you. All I'm saying is that you can record and edit the video once or twice and post it on at least these couple platforms and increase your revenue. Now, I'm about halfway into my affiliate challenge that I gave for myself. Over 2 months, I want to make $100 from affiliate sales. I'm about a month in, which means I'm halfway through it, but I haven't quite made half the revenue, so I'm a little behind. But like anything, it takes time for things to get going, and I'm fairly confident that I'm going to complete this challenge and prove to myself and maybe all of the world that affiliate marketing really can work for you. Because if I can do it, you can too. I'm just an average guy.